students, today we will learn to create a musical instrument in Scratch. So, to create a musical instrument on Scratch, steps are: first we will go here, choose a sprite. So we will click here, and now we will be here some downing. So this is guitar. Now we will click it, and now this sprite one we will delete. Yes. Now a guitar is there. So the steps to create a music in this guitar. So first go to sound and go to sound. Sorry. Go to looks and say and just to say now created backspace, and now we will add here hello, the shift key and 1, press and space. I am a guitar and enter. Now we will collect this one more time. So just a sec. We will select this one more time more, and now we will join it. Now in second one we will say I can create just a sec. Create MEI S USK and enter. Now in third one we will backspace this also, and we will now save just a sec. Shift plus just a sec. Just a sec. Let's hear something. Here some thing and enter. Next, then we will go to control and we will select repeat 10 times. Now we can repeat 2 times also. So we will backspace this and create it 2. Okay. So this is clear. Okay. Now we will go to sound and we will select start sound, and now okay. Next we will go to motion and turn clockwise 15 degrees. And now we will go to control and select wait 1 second, but we will backspace 1 second and create it 0.5 seconds. Okay. Now next we will go to again sound. So we will select this 2 times more. Sorry, 3 times more. Just a sec. This also and this also. Now we will select one this and 2 this. And now we will go to control and select this 4 times. So 1 is there, 2, 3 and 4. So we will collect from here only now. So now we will collect, just a sec. First we will create it this. Now 0.5. In all this we will select only 0.5 and 0.5. And now in this we will select F guitar. And now we will select A guitar. Now we will select with this only, and now it will be more confidently. We will do this. Now F1. It sounds good, but it just doesn't it. Just a sec. Now we will create this. Now we will just a sec. We will connect this upper, now downer, some downer, but downer, some downer. Now we will create it. Now this, and last it this. Now we will play it. So just a sec. Volume 100, and now. Yes. So this is the sound. So this was the magic. Thank you.